Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping and a tool many of you have been asking about, Spocket. Now, if you're new to the dropshipping game, let's rewind a sec. Dropshipping lets you sell products online without holding any inventory yourself. Suppliers store, package, and ship the products directly to your customers, making it a fantastic option for starting an online business with minimal upfront costs. Here's where Spocket comes in. It's a dropshipping platform that connects you with US and EU-based suppliers, allowing you to easily find trendy products, add them to your online store, and automate order fulfillment. Sounds pretty neat, right? But with any business tool, the question inevitably pops up: how much does it cost? Free versus paid, navigating Spocket's pricing plans. Spocket actually offers a free plan, which is excellent news for those just starting or dipping their toes into dropshipping. The free plan lets you browse their product catalog, add up to 25 products to your store, and fulfill orders manually. Think of it as a test drive. You can see if dropshipping and Spocket are a good fit for you before committing any money. However, there are limitations to the free plan. You won't have access to features like automatic order fulfillment, branded invoicing, or real-time inventory updates. These features become crucial as your business grows, so you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan at some point. Spocket's paid plans, unveiling the price tags. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Spocket offers 3 paid plans: Starter, Pro, and Empire. Here's a breakdown of what each plan offers and how much it costs per month. Starter plan, $24 per month. This plan bumps up your product limit to 250, unlocks automatic order fulfillment, and throws in basic analytics. It's a solid option for those starting with a small product selection. Pro plan, $49 per month. This plan is the sweet spot for many dropshippers. It offers everything in the starter plan, plus access to 25 premium products. Think higher quality items with better profit margins, branded invoicing for a more professional touch, live chat support, and real-time inventory updates to avoid those dreaded stockout situations. Empire plan, $99 per month. This plan is designed for high-volume dropshippers. It includes everything in the Pro plan, but with a massive boost to your product limit, up to 10,000 products, priority customer support, and features like product bundles and variations. Choosing the right Spocket plan, it depends on your hustle. So, which plan should you choose? It depends on your dropshipping ambitions. Just starting out? The free plan is a great way to explore Spocket and see if dropshipping is your jam. Building a small store? The starter plan provides the essentials for getting your store up and running. Looking to scale? The Pro plan offers the sweet spot of features and affordability for most growing businesses. High-volume dropshipper? If you're aiming for a larger product selection and dedicated support, the Empire plan might be your best bet. Beyond the monthly cost, consider annual savings. Here's a pro tip: Spocket offers significant discounts if you choose annual billing over monthly. For example, the Pro plan billed annually comes down to $29 per month, a substantial saving compared to the monthly price. Final thoughts: is Spocket worth the cost? Whether Spocket is worth the cost depends on your dropshipping goals and budget. It offers a valuable set of tools that can streamline your business and help you focus on marketing and sales. However, remember, dropshipping itself requires additional investments, like setting up your online store and marketing your products. Factor these costs into your overall budget when deciding if Spocket is the right fit for you. Wrapping up. So, there you have it. We've unpacked Spocket's pricing structure and helped you navigate the different plans. Remember, the best plan depends on your unique business needs. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about Spocket or dropshipping in general, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.